Do you want to come from Canada to Australia? This is the video you are waiting for. I am Arsh Tillo. I'm a registered migration agent in Australia and I can help you navigate your path from Canada to Australia. If you are holding a foreign national passport, for example, India, and you want to come to Australia on a visitor visa, which is the most common visa people use to come to Australia and explore the opportunity here. First of all, you need to prove to the Department of Home Affairs that you are going to come to Australia only for the visit and you must return back to Canada. So what they look at your ties to Canada. What are the ties that you can provide as an evidence? Your employment ties. For example, you are working full time and you have a leave offer from your employer stating that what is your job title, how much you are earning, and between what dates you will be in Australia and on what date you will resume your job. So this is also called a no objection certificate, leave confirmation, or letter of employment, whatever name you want to call it. But as long as you have a document to prove that you are working full time, you have pay evidence, you have bank statement which shows salary credits on regular intervals, and a letter from your employer stating that you are just going there for temporary purposes, you have a secured job, and you will be resuming your job back in Canada. That is a good enough evidence. Second very important evidence is your immigration history in Canada. So let's suppose you are holding a work permit. When is it running out? Is it running out in 1 year's time or 6 months' time? This is also an important consideration case officer takes into account. Third important consideration is your overall travel history. Have you traveled anywhere else? For example, you've been to USA, you've been to other countries around the world. So if you have a compliant travel history, this is also a good plus. Okay. And fourth important documents is your financials. So how much savings you have you got any other assets, lease signed up, you can provide some sort of document showing that you have a stable home in Canada through your insurance, car paper, your lease documents, your utility bills like internet connection, Netflix subscription, anything that shows that you are there. For example, car loan, home loan, personal loan, and you have set terms. You can provide this as an evidence that yes, Canada is your home and you will return back to Canada after your holiday. And another important document that you can provide, for example, you have a friend or a family member in Australia and they have a good immigration history, you can also provide some sort of a letter of invitation or cover letter stating that I'm going to Australia to visit them and I will be staying at their place, or you have some sort of itinerary showing that what are the activities that you're going to take place in Australia. You can also provide itinerary. You can also provide hotel booking if you don't have any relatives. You can also come to Australia for, let's say, sightseeing or sporting activity like watching a cricket match, soccer match. These are the activities you can show. So if you provide all these documents and provide a cover letter stating that you are only there for a visit, there is high possibility that your visa will be approved. If you have any questions about how this all works, what kind of documents that you can provide to show your ties back to Canada, and how you can convince the case officer that you are a genuine visitor, contact us. All details are given in the description. Thank you.